Hey guys, how's it going? This is Travalgar Valentine. I'm doing my Mark III Ford Escort drone. It's looking pretty awesome. Now I just want to do some finishing touches and finish off this spoiler at the back. Let's get this picture all finished. And just remember, this is not I'm telling you how to do things, I'm just showing you how I do it. I never went to art school or anything like that. This is the way I like to draw. Let's bring this across here. Okay, then let's go straight into the Copics. Touch 5. I don't know why I keep calling these Copics Touch 5. I'm gonna have to put a big label somewhere to remind me. So this is the colours consist of 4. So we've got a dark red, red, orange, and then yellow. And then orange. So this is just slowly progressing, really getting rid of that white. Now we'll apply the white highlights at the end in more specific areas. And a bit of yellow. I'm just going back on my fine liner just to touch up some of these areas, making them a bit more darker, get that dark value on the lower section. Okay, now let's go with a white gel pen. I was using an Impossible marker for some of it, but it stopped working. I needed it. So I'm just putting a little bit of white highlight on this top. Little circle there. Okay, looks good for the spoiler. Now let's see what finishing touches we can add to this awesome car to finish it off. Okay, I'll create a bit of a smoke cloud in the background. Where it is, my thick black marker. And a bit here maybe. So I'm going to start just on these cloud shapes with a bit of brown. Okay, then maybe a bit lighter. I've got another light one. What's this fellow? Yeah, that'll do. Okay, right, what else can I add? Bit of brown maybe at the bottom just for a bit of colour. Just add some Travalgar Vallertine. Okay, looks good. Maybe a touch of red pencil. just a bit of yellow pencil. Okay. Maybe a bit of blue pencil down here. Okay, I think that'll do for now. In my Ford Escort MK3 drone, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped you. Just showing you how I basically do these drones and that. But, yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice cartoon car. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.